If you want a bigger chest but don't have a gym, stop overthinking it. You don't need machines or heavy weights. You just need the right push-up variations done the right way. But if you follow this properly for 30 days, hitting every part of your chest, you'll start noticing real changes. These 6 exercises will help you. Let's go step by step. Start with wide push-ups. This is your base movement for building overall chest size. Place your hands wider than shoulder width so your chest does most of the work instead of your triceps. Keep your body straight, core tight, and don't rush the reps. Lower yourself slowly for about 3 seconds until you feel a deep stretch in your chest. Then push up powerfully and squeeze your chest at the top, like you're trying to bring your arms together. That squeeze is where real activation happens. Avoid flaring your elbows too much. Keep them controlled. Do 4 sets of 12 to 15 reps. If it becomes easy, slow the tempo or add a 2-second pause at the bottom. This exercise builds that wide, thick chest foundation. Incline push-ups. Place your hands on an elevated surface like a bed, chair, or bench. This makes the movement slightly easier, which is perfect for focusing on form and really feeling your chest work. It mainly targets your lower chest and helps improve your mind-muscle connection. Keep your body in a straight line. Don't bend at the hips or rush through reps. Lower yourself slowly, feel the stretch, and then push up while squeezing your chest hard at the top. Think quality over quantity here. This is also great as a burnout exercise after harder sets. Do 3 to 4 sets of 15 to 20 reps or go until you're close to failure. If it feels too easy, slow down your reps or increase the range of motion. Now move to decline push-ups. Put your feet on an elevated surface and your hands on the floor. This shifts more load onto your upper chest, which is the most underdeveloped area for most people. Keep your core tight and your body straight. Don't let your hips sag or your back arch. Lower yourself slowly and under control until your chest is close to the ground. Then push up explosively while maintaining balance. This variation is tougher, so focus on good form instead of chasing reps. Do 4 sets of 10 to 12 reps. If you want to make it even more effective, add a 1 to 2 second pause at the bottom before pushing up. This will increase tension and help build that full, lifted chest look. Now try elevated push-up. Get into a push-up position and lower yourself halfway down, then just hold that position. Sounds simple, but it burns like crazy. This creates constant tension on your chest, which is one of the most effective ways to build muscle without weights. Keep your core tight, don't let your body drop, and breathe steadily. Your arms will shake, that's a good sign. That's your muscles working hard. Hold this position for 20 to 40 seconds and do 3 sets. If it becomes easy, increase the hold time or go slightly lower to increase difficulty. This exercise builds strength, endurance, and control all at the same time. Then comes archer push-ups. This is a more advanced movement that puts most of your body weight on one side at a time. Start with your hands placed wide apart. As you lower yourself down, shift your body toward one arm, bending that elbow while the other arm stays straight. Then push back up and switch sides. Move slowly and stay controlled. Don't rush this. This helps build strength evenly on both sides of your chest and fixes muscle imbalances. It also prepares you for one-arm push-ups later. Do 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps per side. If it feels too hard, reduce the range of motion slightly until you build enough strength. Finally, finish with dips. Use parallel bars, chairs, or any stable setup. Lean your body slightly forward to shift focus from triceps to chest. As you go down, feel a deep stretch in your chest, then push yourself back up with control. Don't rush or use momentum. Keep it slow and steady. This is one of the most powerful bodyweight exercises for building chest mass. Do 4 sets of 8 to 12 reps. If it becomes easy, slow down the movement or add a pause at the bottom. If it's too hard, use slight assistance with your legs. This exercise will add thickness and depth to your chest. Do this routine 3 to 4 times a week. Stay consistent and focus on form. Your chest will grow if you train it properly, even at home. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to my channel.